se le dejó a la amiga.
Ahí va. She is knitting, you guys. And picking up speed too.
Okay.
Okay, move your stitches back as you're like knitting right at the tip. There you go, so they won't slide off. And aluminum needles tend to be a little bit more slippery than bamboo or plastic needles.
99 cents.
But this is from the 99 cent store. Por favor, ¿qué puedo decirte? Son buenísimas.
Uy, este se me quedó. Este está complicado. Ahí está. Ahora, ¿estos son dos? No, es uno solo.
Es uno solo, pero creo que ese era el,
más grueso.
el slip knot.
¿Eh? Acá está complicado. Ahí está.
Ahí está.
¡Voilà!
Show your stuff. I love
Right.
it. Entonces, para hacer la próxima vuelta, entonces mueves nuevamente esta aguja a la mano izquierda. There you are, ready position. And what are you going to do next? There you go. Take off. You have no training wheels. You are free to ride. And Marina picked up with the Continental style. I knit English style, but it felt better for her to try moving the yarn with her left hand, although she is right-handed. But hey, there's no right or wrong as long as we're making those knots and knitting. The knit stitch, garter stitch. I'm in love.
¿Yeah?
Perfecto.
Oh, wow. ¡Ah, carajo! Ok. Ese no lo
Entró.
filmes.
No. Pausa comercial.